Life has its ups and downs, doesn't it? It's a journey filled with moments of joy and times of sorrow. We all experience the highs and lows, the peaks and valleys. It's part of what makes us human. One day you're feeling on top of the world, like you can conquer anything that comes your way. The sun is shining and everything seems to be going your way. And the next, you're facing a challenge that seems impossible to overcome. It feels like the weight of the world is on your shoulders, and you can't see a way out. But here's the thing about troubles. They don't last forever. Just as the darkest clouds eventually part to reveal the sun, our toughest times will pass. Just like the sun rises after the darkest night, good times always follow the bad. It's a cycle, a rhythm of life that we all go through. Remember, you are stronger than you think. Within you lies a reservoir of strength and resilience that you may not even realize you have. You have the power within you to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow, to become a better version of yourself. Sometimes, all it takes is a shift in perspective, a little faith, and the belief that you can make it through. It's about seeing the bigger picture and understanding that this too shall pass, and the courage to keep moving forward. Even when the path is unclear, even when the road is tough, taking that next step is what matters. Don't let temporary setbacks define you. They are just moments in time, not the entirety of your story. You are not your problems. You are a person of worth, with dreams and aspirations that go beyond any current difficulties. You are a beautiful, unique soul with a purpose and a destiny. Your journey is special, and every experience, good or bad, shapes who you are meant to be. And those troubles? They're just stepping stones on your journey to greatness. Each one teaches you something valuable. Each one makes you stronger. So keep your chin up, darling. Brighter days are ahead. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and know that you are never alone. The universe has a way of working things out, and your time to shine is just around the corner. Our minds are powerful things. They have the capacity to shape our reality, influence our emotions, and determine our actions. The thoughts we entertain can either uplift us or drag us down. They can be our greatest allies or our worst enemies. When we allow negative thoughts to fester, they can consume us, creating a cycle of despair and hopelessness. When we hold on to negative thoughts, grudges, and past hurts, we give them power over us. These emotions can cloud our judgment and prevent us from seeing the beauty in life. They weigh us down and prevent us from moving forward. It's like carrying a heavy backpack filled with stones, each one representing a past hurt or regret. But here's a secret. You have the power to choose what you hold on to. You can decide which thoughts to nurture and which ones to release. You can choose to let go of the negativity and embrace the positive. Imagine releasing a balloon into the sky, watching it float away, taking your worries with it. It's as simple as saying, "This is done, I let it go." This affirmation can be a powerful tool in your journey towards mental and emotional freedom. Repeat this affirmation to yourself whenever you feel bogged down by negativity. Write it down, say it out loud, and let it become a mantra that guides you. Say it with conviction and truly feel the weight lifting from your shoulders. Visualize the negativity dissolving, leaving you lighter and more at peace. You'll be amazed at how liberating it feels to release what no longer serves you. Standing on the mountaintop, you can see the vast expanse of possibilities that lie ahead. Remember, letting go isn't about forgetting. It's about acknowledging the past, learning from it, and then moving forward with a lighter heart. It's about freeing yourself from the past so you can create a brighter future. As you walk into the sunrise, embrace the new beginnings and endless opportunities that await you. Our thoughts shape our reality. If we constantly tell ourselves negative things, "I'm not good enough, I'll never find love, I'm a failure," then that's exactly what we'll experience. But here's the good news. We have the power to change our thoughts. We can choose to focus on the positive, to believe in ourselves, and to create a life filled with joy, love, and abundance. It all starts with our mindset. When we shift our perspective from one of lack to one of abundance, from fear to love, from doubt to belief, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. The only limits are the ones you set for yourself. How often do you criticize yourself? Do you focus on your flaws and shortcomings? Do you tell yourself you're not good enough, smart enough, or pretty enough? Honey, it's time to stop that negative self-talk right now. You are worthy of love, happiness, and success. You are a beautiful, unique individual with gifts and talents that the world needs. Instead of focusing on your perceived flaws, start focusing on your strengths. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how big or small. And always speak to yourself with kindness and compassion. You deserve to be treated with love and respect, and that starts with how you treat yourself. Section 5. Turn negative chatter into positive affirmations. Our minds are like gardens, constantly growing and evolving. If we plant seeds of negativity, that's what will grow. Negative thoughts are like weeds that can take over if left unchecked. But if we plant seeds of positivity, our lives will blossom with joy, love, and abundance. Just like a well-tended garden, positive thoughts need nurturing and care. Positive affirmations are powerful tools for transforming our thoughts and beliefs. They act as the water and sunlight for our mental garden. By repeating positive statements to ourselves, we reprogram our subconscious minds for success and happiness. This practice helps to replace the negative chatter with empowering thoughts. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and repeat them daily, especially when you're feeling down or discouraged. Consistency is key to making these affirmations a part of your daily routine. Here are a few to get you started. Remember, the words you choose have power. I am worthy of love and happiness. This affirmation helps to build self-esteem and self-worth. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. This reinforces your belief in your abilities and potential. I am attracting abundance into my life. This affirmation opens your mind to the possibilities of prosperity and success. I am healthy, wealthy, and wise. This holistic affirmation covers multiple aspects of well-being. Remember, the more you believe in something, the more likely it is to manifest in your life. Your thoughts shape your reality, so choose them wisely. Start your day with positive affirmations and notice how your mindset shifts. Over time, you'll find that your outlook on life becomes more optimistic and hopeful. Surround yourself with positivity, whether it's through affirmations, uplifting people, or inspiring activities. Your environment plays a crucial role in nurturing your mental garden. Keep a journal of your affirmations and reflect on them regularly. This practice helps to reinforce your positive mindset and track your progress. Embrace the power of positive affirmations and watch as your life transforms. The journey to a positive mindset is ongoing, but with dedication, you can cultivate a garden of positivity that flourishes every day. Section 6. Believe in yourself and watch your life blossom. Believing in yourself is the foundation for creating a fulfilling and joyful life. When you believe in your abilities, you're more likely to take risks, pursue your dreams, and overcome challenges. But self-belief doesn't always come naturally. It's like a muscle that needs to be exercised and strengthened over time. Start by acknowledging your accomplishments, no matter how small. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. The only thing holding you back is your own self-doubt. So start believing in yourself today and watch your life blossom with possibilities. Section 7. Everything happens in its own time. Trust the journey. We live in a world that often glorifies instant gratification. We want everything now, and we get impatient when things don't go our way. But life isn't always a straight path. There will be detours, roadblocks, and unexpected turns. Trust that everything happens for a reason, even if you don't understand it at the time. The universe has a plan for you, and sometimes that plan involves a little bit of waiting. Be patient, my dear. Be kind to yourself, and trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Section 8. You are capable of amazing things. You are a unique and wonderful being with infinite potential. You have talents and abilities that the world needs. Don't ever let anyone tell you otherwise, not even that little voice inside your head. Open your heart to the possibilities that surround you. Embrace your strengths and use them to make a positive impact on the world. You are capable of achieving great things if you set your mind to it. Section 9. The universe is vast and full of possibilities. Look up at the night sky and contemplate the vastness of the universe. Just like the stars that twinkle above, you too are filled with infinite possibilities. Don't limit yourself with negative thoughts and self-doubt. Embrace the unknown and step outside your comfort zone. The universe is waiting to support you on your journey to greatness. Section 10. A little Southern wisdom for the road ahead. Now, I know life can be tough sometimes. We all have our share of trials and tribulations. But as my mama used to say, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Don't dwell on the negative. Instead, look for the silver lining in every cloud. Remember, it's not about what happens to you, but how you choose to respond. Section 11. Embrace the power within you. You have the power to create the life you desire. It all starts with your thoughts and beliefs. Choose to focus on the positive, believe in yourself, and never give up on your dreams. You are stronger than you think, more capable than you know, and more loved than you can imagine. Now go out there and shine your light.